We had the Itare Dam, which was a 32 billion water project that would have resolved the issues of Molo, Rongai, Njoro, Bahati, Nakuru, and also parts of Gilgil. But because of impropriety at those other offices, that project was stopped. We continue to appeal to the national government that the mistakes of a few government officers should not make over 3 million people to suffer because of a few who did the wrong thing. Let us separate the wrongdoings of a few people and deal with them as it is supposed to be. But the people of Nakuru deserve water. And there is no way we are going to attract industries and businesses in Nakuru when we don't have water. It is inconsistent that a town of Nakuru's stature, we are the 4th biggest in the country, and water continues to be a chronic problem in terms of our development. So I appeal to the national government, to the minister, and also to the president that we relook at the issue of Itare Dam and separate criminal issues from the need to serve the people of Nakuru and to give them water.